Good morning, everybody. Today our topic is branching in Java. In a sequence form of execution of statement, the program flows simply and unconditional without making any decision. In a sequence of form of execution, अगर एक तो प्रोग्राम सीक्वेंस में है मतलब स्टॉप टू बटन एग्जीक्यूशन हो रहा है तो वहाँ पे प्रोग्राम एक ही डायरेक्शन में वो एग्जीक्यूशन होगा. And many times it is required to alter the flow of the sequence of instruction, but in some cases some program may not be equal. In some cases we have to make decision and we have to change the flow of the program. So many times it is required to alter the flow of the sequence of instruction. Java language provides statement that can change the flow of sequence of instruction. तो जावा में कुछ कुछ कंडीशनल स्टेटमेंट है उसको यूज करके हम प्रोग्राम का सीक्वेंस चेंज कर सकते हैं. द statement are called control statement. First one is if statement, second one is if else statement, third one is else if statement, and fourth one is switch statement. So these are the four control statement by using which we can change the flow of a execution of a program. Next is your control statement are also called conditional in Java. So conditional statement means sometimes the program is to be executed depending upon a particular condition. For example, if statement. So suppose x is greater than b, if x is greater than returns true. If true होगा तो एक statement execute होगा और false होगा तो another statement execute होगा. So कौन सा statement execute होगा that depends upon the condition. Okay. So if statement, syntax of if statement is your if expression statement, if expression statement semicolon. So Java provides the following construct of implementing the selection control statement. First is your if construct, if else construct, if else if construct, and if else construct, and next is switch construct. So first do you discuss about if construct. This is example of if control statement or if construct in Java. If inside the parenthesis we written a is greater than b semicolon. So this is the if statement declaration and don't forget to give a semicolon here. And this is the if block. Block is starting by opening parenthesis and close parenthesis. Curly braces, sorry, curly braces. So if a is greater than b semicolon, first curly braces start करना है. फिर a is equal to max, ये इसको बोलते हैं बॉडी ऑफ द ब्लॉक और यहाँ पे एक ही स्टेटमेंट है a is equal to max semicolon and closed by your curly braces. So this is the simple if construct. So if a is greater than b, if it returns true, then only the block of this if statement will execute. Okay. If this statement return false, the a is equal to max is not execute. Okay. And another example is suppose integer x equal to 5. Sorry, here पे this I should be small I. So integer, what is integer data type? X equal to 5. This is a variable declaration. So integer x equal to 5 semicolon. If x is greater than equal to 5, inside the block it is written statement. Integer x equal to 5 if x is greater than 5 statement. That means so यहाँ पे x का वैल्यू क्या है 5 है. if कंडीशन यहाँ पे चेक होगा inside the bracket कंडीशन लिखा गया है x is greater than equal to 5. what is the value of x 5. 5 is greater than or equal to 5 returns true or false true. So this statement will be execute. if this suppose यहाँ पे x equal to 6 होता है तो 6 is greater than 5 भी ट्रू होता है तो स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होता है. लेकिन इफ x इक्वल टू यहाँ पे 2 होता है 2 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 5 फॉल्स होता है तो ये स्टेटमेंट जो ब्लॉक में जो स्टेटमेंट है वो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता. सो दिस इज अ सिंपल इफ ब्लॉक. Next is if else construct. If expression statement else statement. So if else construct, this is the syntax of if else construct. यहाँ पे if expression हम लोग लिखेंगे, this is the syntax. So if it is returns to statement, first statement will be execute. If this expression return false, then second statement will be executed. So this is the syntax of if else construct. Next is if else ladder. What is if else ladder? If condition, okay, if this condition returns true, the first statement will be executed. If this condition returns true, the first statement will be executed. So if this condition return false, the else part will be executed. But here inside the else block there is another if statement. So if condition, if it is true, then this statement will be executed. So if this condition false, the else part will be executed. but inside the else block another if statement is there. If conditions true, this statement will executed. If this condition false, then else part will be executed. So this is, see here, this if else are construct as a ladder. So this, that's why it is called if else ladder. Okay. if so if के अंदर else है, else के अंदर another if else statement है, फिर else के अंदर another if else statement है, and last में सारा if else statement close हुआ है using 3 parentheses. So this is the example of if else ladder. So this is example in your book. So यहाँ पे integer marks equal to integer dot percent number tf dot get text. So यहाँ पे हम लोग एक तो ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस एक तो फॉर्म बनाया. सपोज गेट टेक्स्ट इज ए फंक्शन. यहाँ पे तुम वैल्यू दोगे, मार्क्स कुछ एंटर करोगे, दैट विल बी असाइन टू मार्क. ओके. सो इफ दैट मार्क इज 70, so this condition return false. 70 is greater than equal to 80 will be return false. So this first statement will not be executed. The else part will be executed. Okay. So else part में if marks is greater, suppose I took mark as 70. So here see, 70 is greater than or equal to 65. Yes, true. Then first block will be executed. Okay. फर्स्ट ब्लॉक विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड एंड यहाँ पे फॉल्स रिटर्न नहीं हुआ तो एल्स पार्ट विल नॉट बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. ओनली दिस स्टेटमेंट विल एग्जीक्यूटेड. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज मार्क इक्वल टू 90. सो 90 is greater than equal to 80. Yes, true. So first statement will be executed. So this else part, totally the else part will not be executed because this returns true. So first statement में ही ये program execute होके खत्म हो जाएगा. Suppose x equal to 20. So 20 is greater than 80, false. So this statement will not execute, else part will be executed. So 20 is greater than equal to 65. It is also written false, so else part will be executed. 20 is greater than or equal to 50. It is also false, the else part will be executed. So यहाँ पे क्या print होगा? You got a D grade. Understood? So this is a program example of if else ladder. Next is your another if else ladder using else if fridge. So suppose same thing, if 60, suppose mark मैंने यहाँ पे 20 लिया, 20 is greater than equal to 80, false. So this statement will, first statement will not be executed, else part will be executed. Again it will compare, if 20 is greater than 65, false, then else part will be executed. If 20 is greater than equal to 50, ये भी false है, then else part will be executed. So you got a D grade. Okay. So these are the two examples of if else ladder. Next comes to switch statement. Switch statement is used in Java program when one of several courses of action has to be selected. It is a multi-branch selection construct. So syntax of switch expression देखो, switch inside the parenthesis you have to write the expression, then your curly brace start. The case constant 1 colon, statement block 1 semicolon, break semicolon, case constant 2 semicolon, statement block 2 semicolon, break semicolon, case constant n, statement block n semicolon, break semicolon, default statement block n plus 1. Okay. So if this expression return 1, then case constant 1 will be executed, this block will be executed. Okay. And after execution of this block, there is a keyword called break. So the control come out of the loop or come out of the switch case and execute the next line after the switch case. Okay. So if this expression returns true, the case constant 2 will be executed, statement block 2 will be executed, and break. It will come out of the loop and continue the next statement. Case constant n. Suppose this expression returns n, case constant n, this statement block n will be executed and break the control come out of the loop. So if this expression returns a value that is not matched in any cases, then the default case will be executed. Understood? Suppose यहाँ पे 1, 2 and n suppose some cases है. Suppose this expression return n plus 1. बट यहाँ पे n प्लस 1 के लिए कोई ब्लॉक नहीं लिखा गया, कौन ब्लॉक लिखा है नहीं, ताले डिफॉल्ट स्टेटमेंट वर्क करिवो और एग्जीक्यूट हबो. अंडरस्टूड? सो स्विच स्टेटमेंट गोटे वैल्यू रिटर्न करिवो जोटा जो केस संगे मैच हबो से केस रो ब्लॉक गोटा एग्जीक्यूट हबो. एग्जीक्यूट हला परे ब्रेक कीवर्ड कौन करे, कंट्रोल कम आउट ऑफ दैट स्विच स्टेटमेंट और तापर स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हबो. ओके. Next, distinction between switch and if statement. Switch statement and if statement. कौन distinction difference अछि? The purpose of switch statement is to select one of many possible statement to execute. And if statement में it is a decision making branching statement. It tells the computer to take one of the two alternative course of action. सो स्विच केस में मेनी केसेस होगा जोटा तुमको मैच है सही सही ब्लॉक एग्जीक्यूट हबो और इफ स्टेटमेंट है गोटे डिसीजन नब ट्रू और फॉल्स जोटा आइदर दुईटा स्टेटमेंट गोटे स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हबो किंतु स्विच स्टेटमेंट तो मेनी केसेस लिखि पारो द switched element allow you to choose from many statement based on an integer including character or enum value and if the if statement allow you to select one of two section of code to execute based on a boolean value true and false boolean value रो accordingly statement दुईटा statement भितर गोटे statement execute हवा so only two possible value true or false value रे depend करके if else execute होसी but in switch statement many cases can be written so जेन expression जेन value return करथियो सही value ही सही case ही execute हवा okay और जदि जेनटा expression जेना return करबा if it is not match with any of the cases then default will be executed okay so this is all about your branching in java so thank you